In Oklahoma, our roofing contractors provide exceptional services, specializing in storm damage repair, roof replacement, and commercial roofing needs. With extensive experience, our dedicated team ensures that your home or business is protected, handling everything from minor repairs to complex installations. We efficiently manage insurance claims, offering reliable solutions that are tailored to your specific requirements. Our commitment to excellence ensures a smooth, professional roofing process, whether it's an emergency repair or a planned replacement. Count on us for long-lasting results and guaranteed customer satisfaction every time. Contact us today to discuss your roofing needs and experience the unmatched quality we offer. In the heart of Oklahoma, our roofing contractors deliver top-tier services, specializing in storm damage repair and roof replacement. We are committed to providing tailored, effective solutions that ensure the protection and security of your home. With an experienced team that handles everything from minor repairs to complex installations, your roof is in capable hands. We work closely with insurance companies to handle claims efficiently, removing the stress from your restoration process. Prioritizing reliable and professional service, we guarantee a smooth and efficient experience that maintains your home's integrity. Call us today for a free consultation and let us safeguard your home with our expert roofing solutions.